Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to link your Google account with Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on You, which is found right at the middle. Then next you're going to click on Settings, found at the top right corner. Then now you're going to click on Account Security. Then you're going to scroll downwards and click on Link, right under the Google option. Then you're going to click on Continue, because it's going to sign into your Google account. Then you guys could choose the Google account you want to link, then click on it. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Continue. So as you can see, your Google account has been linked. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy process. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I will see you again. Goodbye.